Hi everyone, welcome to our introduction to machine learning. Let's break it down into simple, easy to understand pieces. What is machine learning? Machine learning is a technology that allows computers to learn from data. Imagine teaching a computer to recognize patterns so it can take decisions or predictions on its own without needing specific instructions for every task. For example, imagine you want to teach a computer to recognize pictures of cats and dogs. Instead of programming it with specific rules for what makes a cat or a dog, you give the computer a lot of pictures of both. The computer then analyzes these pictures, learns the patterns and differences between cats and dogs, and figures out how to tell them apart on its own. To start with machine learning, you will need a few basics. First, basic math skills like algebra and statistics to understand the concepts. Second, programming language. Python is a great language to start with. Third, logical thinking to solve problems effectively. And finally, a big dose of curiosity, a strong interest in how things work. Machine learning opens up various exciting roles. A data scientist gathers and analyzes data to find trends. A machine learning engineer builds models that can predict outcomes. A data analyst helps make sense of data to guide decisions. And an AI researcher creates new ways for machines to learn. Who can learn machine learning? The good news is anyone can. Whether you are a student, a working professional wanting to upskill, a tech enthusiast, or even someone looking to switch careers, machine learning has something valuable to offer. So, if you are excited about technology and eager to learn, machine learning could be the perfect path for you. Start your journey today. Thank you.